Hello, am I audible, guys? Can you please confirm in the chat? Yes, no. Okay, then we will start in 5 minutes. Let people join. Okay, so I think, guys, we should start. So, good evening. Welcome to the KISS Matrix Internship Program. So, before talking about internship program, we want to give an introduction about company. So, KISS Matrix is an e-learning platform. We provide many different courses like full stack development, PG course, data science program with job guarantee. We have a short-term courses as well, like advanced Python, statistics, and many. So let's take a look about our team members. So first, let's talk about our visionaries. So he's a Mr. Shobit Kumar. He have experiences in business intelligence and sale operations, and currently he is associate with as a vice president at HCL in London. So next, Mr. Rachit Saxena. He is having more than 12 years of experience in data management technologies. Now, currently, he is working as a cloud architect with British Petroleum. Now, she is a Nipu Srivastav. She is our in our visionaries, and she have experience in technical domain with FMCG. Her name is Neha Srivastav. She is the CEO of our organization. Now she is Miss Prachi Chaudhary. She is ex Microsoft trainer, and Vishal Kumar, Mr. Vishal Kumar. He is experienced data scientist in our company. Now let's talk about internship program. So first of all, internship is open for all the data science experience. Give me 1 minute. So let me show you. This internship will be of 1 month to provide hands-on experience over the projects. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of this. In this internship, we have multiple domains like ML, computer vision, and NLP. So what you can do, you can decide your domains according to your interest. You can select at least 2 domains inside that. According to your performance, you will receive LinkedIn recommendations from our side according to your performance. So you have to complete your task in your 1 month. We will try to share your task list in your Telegram group. So out of that, any 2 tasks you have to complete. So let me show you what are the tasks that you have to complete. What are the types of tasks that you have. So first of all, this type of task you have in your task one, you have airlines passengers satisfaction. So you have to start from scratch. Like you have to take your data set from the Kaggle, then you have to do data pre-processing steps, feature engineering, feature selection, modelings. You have to compare another types of models on that. Then you have to finally make a GUI on that, graphical user interface. Then you have to make a small report on that. Now why a report? Then I will try to talk you by after some time. Now, second task is heart failure predictions. It is also a part of Kaggle dataset. You have to take the dataset from that. You have to do a pre-processing steps. You have to perform feature engineering, feature selection, and data modeling. Then you have to make a GUI on that, and then you have to make a simple report on that. Now, if you are selected your computer vision task, like your domain, then you have tasks your horses on or human data sets. You have to do a classification. Now you can perform any CNN algorithm over there, convolution layer, right? You have to classify the classes. For that as well, you have to make a GUI for that. Now the object detection task, you have to perform. There's a data size gun object detection. Can you explain how to make a GUI? So with a simple Flask or Django, whatever you want. Now second object detection, your tomato detection. Yeah, and you have to make a small GUI for that. Am I audible, right, guys? Someone is saying I'm not audible. Am I audible, right? Okay. So your object detection there, we have given one more object detection task like tomato detection. For that also you have to do a pre-processing your sorry, not feature engineering selections. That you have to do it simple. Now the task is after that doing the tasks, right? How you want to submit it. For that we will try to release a Google form on that. Then you have to fill that Google forms and all the things are written in this. And there are some rules and regulations as well. We will talk about that. Don't worry. Now for the steps to your submission of a task, right? For that you have to put your code into your GitHub account for that. Then you have to copy that link and you have to submit that your GitHub repository link in our Google form. And you have to make a small video of your project, of your final project. Then you have to at the final step, then you have to make a small video again. You have to upload in your LinkedIn by with tagging the company name, so it will be easy for us to make to see the your program easily. You have to create end-to-end projects. Yes, you have to deploy it. You have to make a GUI on that. Now at the end, you have to make a small report, right? So while making a report, you have to there will be a type of Q&A between your technical team and between you. So we will ask some questions on that how you have done that, this type of things, and you have to give the answers for that. If you have not performed very well during your representations, it depends on your presentation that how you are going to give. We have rights to reject your work. So be remember on that. Now there are some rules and regulations, right? Let's take a look. After submission your code and after your presentations, we will try to release our certificates you will get by on your mail. Now there will be a doubt sessions on Saturday and Sunday. You have to take it and you have to join this. If you not join at least 2 meetings, you have to join for your that doubt clearing sessions. You have to ask your doubts. If no, if you have not done, then also we have right to disqualify you, and you have to accept our privacy and policy of a company. Simple. Now, if you have any issue, you can please write in the chat related to the internship. Related to the internship, if I have any, how many projects you have to do? Any two, any two projects you have to do. Any two projects from the given slides. Yes, from the shown slides. Within a month. Yes. I hope you have selected our domains. This task list we will share to you. Don't worry. Submission deadline we will try to inform on the Telegram group. So try to join that. Will it be a problem if we have any other internship going on? That depends on you. For the deployment Flask for Django, that depends on you.
Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So guys, I just welcome you all on the behalf of Chris Matrix. Okay. So I hope everyone is aware this is an academic internship. Okay. And we have a concern related to your data privacy policy that we have not received few still we have not received the few data privacy policy document from few of the candidates, right? So first of all, I request all of you, if you have filled the form, please forward it as soon as possible. Okay, because tomorrow it will get verified that who have not submitted, and those who have not submitted, that will be eliminated from this internship. First thing. Okay. Second thing, related to your questions, right? So basically, this is an academic internship, and all of you have studied the data science from somewhere, either from the Udemy, either from a Coursera, either from other resources, right? So this is just a scenario where we are giving you a hands-on practical that how you are going to present your projects in front of any organization when you are appearing for the interviews. Okay, so in that context, this internship has been designed so that you can get a complete idea that how your project should be. Okay, what should be the project life cycle? These are the things. Okay, I'll come back to the questions each and every one. Please hold a second for the hold a second. Okay, I'll come back to your questions. Okay. So, okay. So coming to this internship part, right? So this internship basically provided to give you an idea that how actually industry works, right? This data set is open for all. Okay, it is something data set which is easily available for you. Okay, you can find the different solutions in the Kaggle as well. But what you are thinking about this data set, how you are different from that particular solutions. Okay, look, one thing in the practical scenario, a data can be seen from a different angles. Okay, a same data can be seen by a different person by different angles. Okay, so it depends upon you that how you are representing a data, how you are using that data. Okay, and data analysis is one of the toughest tasks first. Okay, selection of algorithm, deployment of the algorithm is not that much high level. But if we talk about data cleaning process, data pre-processing process, okay, so that takes a lot of time. Okay, and that is really bit difficult. Okay, I understand you have already studied a self-paced learning videos. Okay, so definitely this internship is going to give you hands-on along with some mentorship. Okay, so in that context, every Saturday and Sunday from 5 to 6 p.m. you will have a doubt session. Okay, suppose you are working on any project and you are getting some kind of issue or you are facing some problem. Okay, so you can discuss those problems during that Saturday and Sundays. Okay, so in a week, you have to work upon those projects. This is a flexible okay, that how you are working on those type of projects, okay, how long you are working, whether you're working in daytime, whether you're working in night, it doesn't matter, okay. So if we talk about these program, right, so you have to think out of the box, okay, just try to represent the data in some other way, because already this data has been seen by somewhere in some different angle. So it depends on your analytical skills how you are going to analyze that data, okay. And problem statement has been already given in the this task list, okay. Problem statement has given how you are going to solve, that is the basic issues, first thing. Second, a data science project never can be completed without deployment, okay. So deployment is one of the best important part, okay. And soon we are going to conduct a webinar related to deployment as well, okay. So you can join that webinar, okay, and you can learn if you don't know how to deploy a project in a real time, okay. Third, the GUI, the question related to the GUI, right? So GUI basically can be designed in Django, Python, whatever you want. There are so many aspects of designing the uh, uh, this GUI, okay. So that really depends upon you, because if your code is not feasible or not can be deployed in real time, then there is no use of that particular coding, okay. So you have to be familiar that when you are designing a code, what are the problems or what are the things or what are the challenges you are facing while deployment, okay. So you can understand that how the code should be written in such a way that it should be integrated with any platform, okay. Right now you are working on Python, right now you can design GUI in Python, but it is not particular that the in when you go in a company, your code will be deployed with Python front end, okay. No, it's not something like that. JavaScript is there, there are so many other languages as well. So you have to write a code in such a way that can be integrated with any type of front end, or you can say the GUI. But right now, being a academics, okay, you should have a basic knowledge to how to design the GUI, right. So already you have studied, so I hope or I can expect that you know how to create all those things, right. So in the coming sessions, in the coming days, okay, if you face any kind of issue while working on those things, you can ask with the trainer, you can ask with us, okay, related to your issue, we will definitely help you, okay. There are some questions. Okay, first, Pravesh, and can we get the sample video submission to see? Already it is available in the LinkedIn. You can see the previous candidates. They have completed the internship. They have uploaded the video. You can watch it on the LinkedIn. Okay. Second, can I use Streamlight instead of Flask? You can use it, okay. But until and unless you can integrate that particular code, okay, you with the front end, or you can say that you can align it with your codes, okay. It is there is no problem in using that one, okay. All of you, okay, I request all of you to join the Telegram group, because most of the information you can get it from there, okay. This PPT will be shared with you in that Telegram group as well, okay. You can download it from there, okay. And one more thing, guys, okay, this is academic internship, we are trying to give you something, okay. So definitely we expect something from you as well. So the expectation is you should give your 100%, okay. If this is the one of the most important criteria which you are right now seeing on the screen, okay. So that if you misconstitute two meetings of the team, that Saturday and Sundays, if you are not attending the meetings, okay, of two times, that means you are not serious about this internship. So at that moment, we will disqualify you that you are not interested in this internship. So it's better that you focus on your own work rather than you are focusing on these things, okay. So in that context, it will be difficult for us to take care of those guys. All right. How can I ask my doubts and whom? You can ask your doubts on every Saturday and Sunday between 5 to 6 at the same meeting link. Okay. You will get a meeting link with the same link on the Telegram group. You can join the meeting. You can ask. Manoj, if you have joined the meeting, that means you have received the a meeting link, right? And if you have not received, fill the terms and condition form, try to submit it by today end of the day. If you are not submitting today end of the day, from tomorrow onwards you will not receive any communication related to this internship. Okay, please check your spam mail, please check your other promotion mail tabs, okay, in your inbox. Okay, definitely you will have received the mail, the offer letter, and a document related to NDC, non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so that is basically attached with each and every one mails. Okay, yes, you have to mail the terms and condition on the page after filling that form. Okay, you have to revert back on the same mail ID. Look, we don't have any problem related to other internship going on if you are if you have joined. But if you are not focusing on this internship, that means you are not able to focus on that particular internship as well. So it's better that you prefer for any one internship. I suggest you to go for any one internship. Guys, previously we have done the unmute the telegram group, but what happened, due to data privacy, there was some data breach. Okay, the telephone numbers, personal numbers has been distributed to few of the guys, so that was creating problems. So we are not going to unmute that group. Okay, kindly note down your problems or doubts. Okay, every week, weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you are having the sessions. Okay, you have to join that session and you can ask your doubt over there. Pravesh, already I told you that you have filled the form. During the filling the form, you have already said that you know the data science, right? You are aware about the Python programming. Okay. So that means you know how to make a GUI testing. But if you don't know, try to do it by your own. If you face any kind of problem, we will definitely teach you, help you in that. But starting from the complete GUI, it is very much difficult because it will take a lot of time. Okay, it is not easy to make a GUI. Okay, designing a GUI will take at least 8 to 10 hours to understand the complete concept of that GUI. No, it is not possible to extend the time period of internship. It is of 1 month, is 1 month. 25th May is the last day of submission of your project. From the 25th May, you will get a form to submit your works. Okay, where the process has been defined. Okay, you have to submit. One more thing, this is very much important for all of you. Okay, you have to represent your work, okay, to the team. Okay, you have to answer the questions related to the data science projects which you have worked, because when you are going to submit it in any organization for the job, okay, definitely they are going to ask that how you have designed this project, what are the concepts you have used, right? So definitely there is a review team, okay, where the tech team and the mentor and your trainer will be there, so that you can have a discussion with them. They will ask the questions, just like a viva of a project, that what you have done, how you have done. Okay, so if you are not performing well on that particular uh, point, right? So the complete tech team and the auth management have the rights to stop your certification. Why I'm telling you? Because certification is very much important. We are an ISO 9000 and 2015 certified company. Okay, so we have some certain standards. You have to reach up to that standards. Okay, that date will be announced soon. Okay, in your Telegram group. Okay, anyone having any doubts, please ask, because this is just a discussion. Okay, All right, Shahir, we will take care of this timing issues. Okay. By the way, already I have declared the timing will be 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. Yes, this meeting will be not every day. It will be Saturday and Sundays only. The meetings of 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. that will be only on Saturday and Sundays. Guys, look, GI designing is not difficult, but it will be taking time, take consuming thing, right? Because it is a creative work that how you are going to design your GUI. So it will take a lot of time, right? And already you guys have studied, okay, and it is an internship of 1 month where you are working on the projects, okay. And if you are working on the projects, that means already you have the knowledge of all those things. You should have the knowledge of all those things, okay. During your internship we can give you a small help that how if you are facing some kind of issue we can resolve those issues. We can give you hands on those particular doubts that how you are going to use those things, right? So definitely if you are asking the complete session for that particular designing of GUI, it will be difficult for us to deliver those sessions, okay. You can use Colab, Jupyter. That all depends upon you where you are comfortable with, okay. If you are familiar with the Visual Basic platform, okay, you are familiar with other platforms as well, you can work on those platforms as well. That's not an issue. It is completely platform independent. Until unless your code is working fine, your logic is fine, okay. It doesn't matter what platform you are using on. All right. One more important announcement that during the form fill up, right, we have asked you to fill the form that on which particular domain you want to do the internship, right? So at that time, you guys have selected somewhere in machine learning, computer vision, machine learning, and NLTK, right? Those who have selected the NLTK, right, they will get the project updates by tomorrow by tomorrow or next week. Okay, if they want to work on the NLB projects, they can get it in the next week. First thing. Second, if you have selected the domain right during the form fill up, cover up try to select that project from that particular domain itself only. Okay, that will be fine because your submission form has been already submitted somewhere. Okay, so that's why. Review meeting will be announced in your Google Telegram group, so no need to worry about that. First, you should have you should think about the projects, that how you are going to do the projects. Okay, that is the more important thing. You can select your projects by your own. Okay, no, you cannot select the two tasks from the same domain, Piyush. You have to select two tasks from the two different domains. Shahid, that's why we say that the meeting should be joined at the proper time, right? We have already shown you the projects. Okay, there are some tasks which is listed here on the screen. Okay, Harsh, can you please scroll down to the task list? Please check out. This is the computer vision task. Okay, machine learning task is everything. Task is included in that. We will share this PPT with all of you. Okay, in the Telegram group, you can download it from there. Okay. You can change your domain, Mahima. That doesn't make any issue. Okay, but while when you are going to represent the projects, right? Definitely, we will ask that why you have selected that particular domain and why you have not selected that previous domain. Okay, so at that time you should have a satisfactory answer and the reason behind each and every points. Okay, so be careful for that. If you want to change, you can change that. Is not an issue. Guys, I'm again telling you, I'm again requesting all of you, right, that if you are not able to demonstrate your projects, okay, then it will be difficult for you to get the certificate. Okay, will not get the certificate if you are not representing your project, if you are not explaining the projects properly. So again, I'm requesting all of you that you should have a clear understanding about the data science, because if you are working on those things, okay, definitely you should have the knowledge of the concepts. You should have knowledge about thorough knowledge about all the concepts. Okay, so try to focus on those things rather than focusing on other things. Okay, Piyush, you can select second domain by your own, no problem. Yes, you will get a letter of recommendation after successful completion of your internship. Okay, but that depends on your performance during your internship, during your project submissions, and your viva. Okay, or you can say the project demonstration. Okay, if you are performing well, then only you will get the LOR. Otherwise, it will be not possible for providing the LOR, because if we are not recognizing that you have the good knowledge to work in the data science field, then recommendation cannot be given. Na? To get the recommendation letter, you have to work very hard. You have to complete this project. Yes, you will get these PPTs, no problem. You will get these PPTs. Everyone join the Telegram group. You will get all the details over there. Okay, we will post the update over there. Okay, so that's not an issue, but try to do it as soon as possible. Okay, because we have seen that still many of you have not joined the Telegram group. Okay, and one more thing, those who have not followed us on the LinkedIn and the YouTube as well, you can find the content, useful content on LinkedIn as well, and on our YouTube channel. Okay, you can go through our YouTube channel. You can find the details over there as well. You can see on the screen as well. We, we will inform you about those things. Okay, so you can see on the screen. Okay, that we have a YouTube channel as well. You will find a lot of information over there as well. Okay, so you can go through that. Okay, and you can have an idea that how basically you can work on these things. Okay, you will get a lot of help from there. Machine learning playlist you can see, and deep learning playlist. There are so many things. Okay, you can utilize for your own projects. The link has been shared with all of you. One more thing, guys, you can follow us on the LinkedIn as well. Okay, because if you are going to follow on LinkedIn, definitely it will be easy for us to recognize you on LinkedIn, and it will help us to give you the recommendations and endorsement after your completion of the internship. Okay, so it's better that you guys can join the us on LinkedIn as well. Okay. If you have any doubt, guys, you can ask. Okay, if you want to discuss something, you can ask over here right now. Task submission process is already included in the this presentation. Okay, we will share the complete presentation. You can find it over there. By the way, the small process it is. Okay, we will share a form with you. Okay, you have to fill that form. Okay, you will have to paste your GitHub link. Okay, where you will upload your codes or your projects. Okay, you have to paste your GitHub link over there. Okay, and you have to create a small video of your project so that you can put it in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, tagging the company so that we can easily find you and recognize your project. Okay, you have to create the projects end to end. That means you have to create the GUI as well. Okay, two videos for two tasks. Yes, two videos for the two tasks. Okay, so you can see the task submission page on the screen. How many of you know the deployment in a real time, that how a deployment you can deploy your projects? How many of you know, aware about it? What about others? All right, most of you know about it, somewhat aware, somewhat not aware. All right, no issues. We will look into this to solve those who want to learn. Okay. we will look into this and we will definitely do something for you. Okay. I've already told you guys, we will share this PPT with all of you. Don't worry about the presentation. Okay. We will share the PPT with all of you. All right. I think, yes, recording this screen is illegal. All right, guys. I think there is no question left from your side. We have taken care of all the questions. Okay. I wish you all the best to work on your projects. Okay. Try to complete the projects on time before 25th, because 25th is the last day for the submission. Okay. And I hope 25 days is more than enough to complete two projects. Okay. So please be careful that your project should not be copied or downloaded from any other resources, because if you are going to download, you will not able to explain, and at that point the project will be not accepted. Okay. And if your project is not accepted, that means your certificate will be stopped. You will not get the certificate. So rather than going for a copy pasting thing, try to do it by your own. Okay. Try to learn the things what you have learned till now. Try to implement those things. Okay. And and try to grab something. Okay. Because in the previous batch we have seen that they at least learn something. Okay. They have they face the issues, they discuss a lot during the sessions, right? So it will be easy for you that if you works on something, if you face any problem, okay, every Saturday Sunday you have a session of 1 hour. Okay, so at that time you can discuss those problems, that problems will be resolved at that point. Okay. So I don't think this recording is of any use for you. Okay, but if you want, I can share this recording. That recording you can get it from the YouTube. Okay, we will upload it on the YouTube. You can get it from the YouTube, no problem. Okay. So anything else, guys? Because it's time to close the session. Okay. So if you have, if you want to know something, if you have any suggestions, you can give us. Okay. Connecting me on LinkedIn, it's better that you follow the company, right? Because if you'll follow the company, you will have in touch with the other members of the team as well. You will have a good connection request, okay? Or you can see you will get the updates related to the company. Okay, in the future, if we are hiring for data scientists, you can apply for them for that position as well. Okay, so connecting with me on LinkedIn is not as useful as if you're following the company. So better follow the company. Again, I'm telling you the same thing. Your problem will be resolved by us. Okay, on Saturday and Sunday, we are providing the sessions. Okay, doubt clearing sessions, that whatever the problems you are facing, you can discuss with us on every Saturday and Sunday. Okay. it seems to be an easy, right? Somebody is saying me that it seems it's very easy to do the projects, but let me clear you things that it seems to be very easy projects. Okay, when you work on those things, then you will face the challenges. At that time you will understand that what is the importance of a project. Okay. Yeah, Harsh, please.
I want to say one thing that so be ready with your doubts on for Saturday's Sunday class, and it is compulsory to join, because if you didn't join that, maybe you can be disqualified from that, from the internship, because it will show that you are not interested and you are doing any projects. So it is impossible that you have no doubts inside that.
And if you don't have any doubt, then we will ask the questions. Okay. But it is mandatory for everyone to join the Saturday Sunday meeting. Okay. If you are failed to join the consecutive two meetings on any Saturday Sundays, okay, then that means you are not interested, or you are not serious about this internship. So it's better that you focus on your work rather than focusing on multiple things at the same time. Okay. All right, guys. If you have any issue, please ask. Otherwise, we are going to close this session. Very nice question. What will be the use for the GUI? It's a web-based or desktop application. I don't know whether you know how to design the standalone desktop application, but right now what you will create in the data science logic, that is basically a web-based application. And if you are designing logic, definitely you should have a user interface so that your logic can be used by the people. Okay. So in that context, GUI is very much important, and you should know how to create a GUI with the complete project. Okay, so definitely it is an important thing. Am I clear? All right. So I hope we have taken care of all the questions. Okay. In case you have any issue, guys, you can mail us. Okay, on support@datatrain.com. Sorry, support@chrismetrics.com. Support@chrismetrics.com. You can send your queries, you can send your issues. If you have any issue on this mail ID, you will get back the response as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you so much to join. Best of luck for internship and be ready for the Saturday and Sunday class.